Let's connect our TikTok organic data to Google Looker Studio. First, go to powdermetrics.com and start a free trial. And remember, we already have a free forever plan as well. I will select a trial. I will log in with the same Google email I use on Google Looker Studio. And then I will choose as report type single data source because this time we are only connecting TikTok data. So I will go to connect. I will select TikTok Insights and I will connect my profile. I will connect my TikTok account. And after you set your connection with TikTok, you will be able to display all the accounts that you have access to. So I'll go to next, I will select my account here, I will select it right here, click on create report, and this window means that we have successfully connected our TikTok data. It is time for waiting for Looker Studio to load your report, and once your report is loading, go to save and share, click on acknowledge and save, and you will have created your TikTok report on Google Looker Studio. Now, I will show you what you can do with this dashboard template and how you can customize your own TikTok dashboard on Google Looker Studio. Once you click on save and share to publish your TikTok report, you will be able to track these KPIs or metrics like total followers, new followers, video views, profile views, and so on. I will go to a view mode and I will show you more things, use cases and examples that you can do with your TikTok data. First, with Power Metrics, you can connect multiple TikTok accounts at a time. So if you are managing multiple brands or accounts, you can connect and consolidate all their data in a single dashboard, and you can simply filter the particular account that you want to visualize. Here I am visualizing only one account, and also I can filter my data by a particular date range, which is incredible. Now, in terms of metrics, first I am visualizing my profile data. As you can see in our template, we have 4 pages: profiles, video, audience, and acquisition. For profile data, I can monitor my followers, my new followers, my profile views, and so on. And if I scroll down, you will be able to visualize your data over time, day by day, week by week, month by month, and so on. I will go to the next page where I can visualize my creative or my video performance. So at creative level, I can visualize the thumbnail, the caption, even I can bring the URL so you can display the actual video in a different tab, and I can monitor all the visibility engagement metrics like views, comments, likes, the new followers from this particular video, and so on. Actually, I am very familiar with other integrations like Instagram, and TikTok actually offers more metrics. For instance, on Instagram, you cannot track video new followers or the total number of new followers from a particular post. That's something that you cannot simply do. If I go to audience, I can break down my followers by different criteria. This is very similar to Facebook and Instagram, where I can break down my followers by gender, by age, by city, by country, as you can see it right here. And if I go to acquisition, this is a new type of data that it is not available in other data sources. I can break down my audience type. So I can visualize at post level, I can break down by post how many of the people interacting with this post are followers, are new viewers, are not followers, or are return viewers. This is very interesting because some people that watch my videos again, maybe they don't follow me yet. That's a possibility as well. Here you can see that I can break down by particular post. That's very important or very useful because this is something that you cannot do in other social media data sources, and you can do it with TikTok. If I scroll down, you will be able to see where people are finding your videos. So if you are thinking of SEO on TikTok, this is an example. Here you can see where people find your videos on TikTok. For you, I guess it is the feed. Actually, I'm not a user of TikTok, but I can see a personal profile, I can see others, I can see it as direct message, and so on. So here you can find the different sources or acquisition sources where people found your video. And also I can visualize my countries, the countries or the audience country per post, not just by followers. So by post, I can see what country is interacting the most with my data. As well, this is unique data that you can only find with TikTok Insights. And with this, I have shown you how you can create and customize your TikTok performance data on Google Looker Studio. See you in the next tutorial. Actually, I want to show you how you can customize your own TikTok dashboard. So I will go back to our edit mode on Looker Studio. I will create a new page. This new page will be called TikTok, and I will select an icon for this page. It will be this heart. I will click on apply, and it is time to add some charts to this dashboard. I will go to a chart and I will select a scorecard. The first field or metric I want to track will be total followers. I am visualizing the total followers of this account, but also I want to visualize these followers over time. I want to do follower tracking with TikTok data. So as a sparline, I want to visualize my data day by day. And this chart is super useful because I can track my total followers every day. I can see the evolution of my audience. If I go to style, I can do some changes. For instance, the border of this scorecard will be white and it will be round. I will use the border radius, it will be 25. I will copy and paste this chart. I simply didn't show it because edition. And here in the setup, I will choose a different metric so you can understand the nuances and differences. There is a field that is called video profile views, which belongs to the profile data. But if I do the same and I choose a different field that is very similar, that is called profile daily video views, it is different. Now I can see the total plays of my TikTok. So remember to check what field you are monitoring or visualizing, if it is at profile level or at video level. Here I change the size of these charts a little bit. And now I will go to insert and I will insert a table. I want to visualize my creative or my TikTok videos. So as I mentioned first, I want to bring the video thumbnail. Also, I can bring the video caption. I can bring also the video URL. And now I need to bring metrics that are related to my video. For instance, video views or video engagements or comments or shares. This is important because you cannot have followers per post. Actually, with TikTok you can. You can know the new followers, but you cannot know the total followers per post because that is at profile level, not video level. Okay, here I'll go back and in style I will do some changes. For instance, I will remove the round number, the header will be transparent, and now this is more similar to TikTok. Also, I will add a title to this chart and the title will be post performance. Now I have my TikTok KPIs. Also, I have my post performance report. Now I will create an audience report. I want to break down my total followers by gender, by age, or by country. So I will scroll down, I will go to a chart, I will select this pie chart. I like this pie chart, and the dimension now will be gender, and the metric will be followers gender. So I have a particular metric that I need to combine. Gender as dimension, followers gender is the metric. So here I have my demographics breakdown for my TikTok followers. If I add a new chart, this time it is a table. Now I will use country and also the country icon. I will place it first. Country icon is a field that we came up with at Potter, so hope you like it. So it is more visual. And the metric will be video audience countries. So here is important because we have dimensions that need to match with a particular metric. You need to combine country as dimension with video audience countries as metric. So it is an important caveat that you need to consider to create your dashboard. Here, I will make this column smaller, and now I have created my TikTok dashboard on Google Looker Studio. Now, finally, you know how you can create and customize your own TikTok dashboard on Google Looker Studio. I will see you in the next tutorial.